Today I'm going to show how to install Oracle VirtualBox. Double-click the installer file to launch the setup wizard. A user account control prompt might pop up asking for confirmation to allow the app to make changes. The Welcome to the Oracle VirtualBox 7.2.6 installer window appears, and click Next to proceed. On the End User License Agreement screen, acknowledge the terms by selecting I accept the terms of the license agreement before clicking Next. The custom setup screen for selecting installation features is displayed. Keep all the default features selected and click Next. A warning message then appears, informing us that the network interface will be temporarily disconnected during the installation. Click Yes to continue. Another warning pops up alerting us about missing dependencies, specifically concerning the Python core package and SDK bindings. Just click Yes to acknowledge and proceed. The custom setup screen for startup options, such as creating desktop shortcuts or adding to the start menu, is shown. Keep the default selections and click Next. The Ready to Install screen appears, summarizing our chosen settings. Click Install to begin the installation process. This phase takes a few moments. Once the installation is complete, a confirmation screen appears, stating Oracle VirtualBox 7.2.6 has been installed. Click Finish. Immediately after clicking Finish, the Oracle VirtualBox Manager application automatically launches, indicating a successful installation and readiness for use. Thank you for watching.